Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Apple's next big product reveal is just around the corner, and one of the most talked about devices is the upcoming Apple TV. While some may think of it as just another refresh, this year's Motto has the potential to be the most important step forward for Apple's streaming box in years. In this video, we'll explore everything we know so far, from rumored hardware and design upgrades to how Apple may position this device as not only a streaming hub, but also as a true gaming contender and a smart home powerhouse where we are. Now, the current Apple TV 4K is powered by Apple's A15 Bionic chip, which originally launched with the iPhone 13 lineup back in 2021, while still capable of handling streaming and light gaming. It's showing its age in 2025. Competitors like Amazon's Fire TV Cube, Roku Ultra, and NVIDIA Shield TV have been pushing updates with stronger processors, AI-driven features, and enhanced connectivity. Apple can't afford to lag behind, and this year's Apple TV looks like it may finally take a giant leap forward. Processor and performance. Upgrades. The most exciting rumor points toward Apple upgrading the chip inside the new Apple TV. Multiple reports suggest the A17 Pro processor could be used the same chip inside the iPhone 15 Pro series. This would be a huge leap in power and efficiency. The A17 Pro supports Wi-Fi 6E, allowing faster, more reliable connections, which is perfect for high-bandwidth tasks like streaming 4K HDR content or even preparing for future 8K playback. But the real game-changer here is gaming. Apple has already shown that this chip can handle cancel-level titles on iPhone, such as Resident Evil Village and Resident Evil 4 Remake. If the same power comes to Apple TV, developers could bring AAA games to your living room running natively without the need for a console, add in metal FX, upscaling, and advanced APIs. Suddenly, the Apple TV is no longer just a streaming box, but a compact gaming system. There's also a chance Apple could skip ahead and debut the upcoming A18 processor, giving the device an even longer lifespan. Audio and video enhancements. One major request from Apple fans has been better audio support. This year's Apple TV could finally deliver on that by offering lossless audio streaming, true Dolby Atmos improvements, and possibly DTS:X compatibility. With Apple pushing its Apple Music lossless service, extending this to the living room feels like the natural next step. For visuals, the Apple TV already handles HDR10+ and Dolby Vision well, but rumors indicate possible support for 8K video playback. While 8K adoption is still in its early stages, Apple likes to prepare its devices for the future. This could make the Apple TV one of the most forward-looking streaming boxes on the market. A new look. Design is another area where we may finally see a change. The Apple TV's small black plastic box design has remained largely unchanged for over a decade. Leaks suggest Apple could introduce a premium new look with a brushed metal body, perhaps in black anodized aluminum or space silver. This would not only look more elegant next to modern TVs and sound systems, but also align with Apple's sustainability goals. A redesign would feel long overdue and would give the Apple TV a fresh identity. Gaming ambitions. Posh into gaming could be one of the biggest talking points of this release. Apple Arcade has long been viewed as a casual gaming service, but with the A17 Pro chip inside, the new Apple TV could finally run demanding titles smoothly at 4000 resolution and 60 FPS. Combine that with support for HPZ's 5.3 controllers, seamless iCloud syncing, and cross-play with iPhone, iPad, and Mac, and you have the framework for a mini console that doesn't take up space on your shelf. Apple could also integrate Apple TV more deeply with its upcoming Vision Pro headset, allowing immersive AR and VR style experiences. This box could quietly become one of the most versatile gaming and entertainment platforms available. Expected release date. Apple usually holds its September event in the second week of the month. If patterns hold true, we're expecting the keynote around September 9th or 10th, 2025. Pre-orders would likely go live within a few days, with shipping beginning on September 19th, perfect timing for the holiday season. Pricing predictions. CURRENT Apple TV starts at $129, but with the new upgrades, prices may shift slightly higher. Analysts expect the base version to land around $149, while a higher capacity model with Ethernet and up to 256 GB storage could cost $169 to $179. Apple may soften the increase by doubling storage or including extra features, cheering the higher. Price feels justified. Other features too expect alongside the big upgrades. Apple could roll out smaller refinements such as expanded support for Matter and Thread smart home standards, making Apple TV a more powerful HomeKit hub, a redesigned Siri remote, USB-C charging, and possibly a tracking feature, more RAM for better multitasking and smoother gameplay, improved energy efficiency to meet Apple's carbon neutrality goals. Final thoughts? So, is the next Apple TV worth getting excited about? Absolutely. From potential AAA gaming support and future-ready 8K playback, to premium design and smarter home integration, this could be the biggest step forward for Apple's set-top box in years. Apple is positioning the Apple TV as more than just a streamer. It's becoming the central hub for entertainment, gaming, and smart home control all in one sleek package. If Apple delivers on even half of the rumors, the Apple TV 2025 could be one of the most surprising and important devices in the lineup this year. Are you planning to upgrade when it launches? Or do you think other streaming devices like Roku and Fire TV are enough for your setup? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, don't forget to subscribe to Technology in the Future for more in-depth updates on Apple, gaming tech, and the latest gadget leaks. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, stay curious, stay future ready, and I'll see you soon.